Hi friends, this is Sai from Department of Civil Engineering. In remote sensing, here new topic is image analysis. So in this topic I am going to introduce about image analysis, introduction, elements of virtual interruption. So first of all, image analysis. So you all people will study the image with the help of taking the pictures, or you will modifying the pictures, or you will analysis everything. Okay, in this concept, first of all we have to study about virtual interruption. So what is meant by the virtual interruption? The process to analyze the objects, to evaluate their importance by examining satellite imaginaries. So here we discuss about the virtual interruption. It is defined as the process of the analysis of the objects and they evaluate the importance of the examining satellite imaginaries. So if any image is came, so with that the help of the image, you all going to study what is happening, what is going on with the help of the images only. So these images came from these satellite images. It is widely used for locating specified features and conditions has been in many fields, which includes the agricultural, aeronautical, conservation, engineering, forestry, geology, geography, meteorology, military intelligence, natural resources management, ocean geography, soil science, and urban and regional planning developments. So remote sensing is a concept everywhere is being used. So in that main concept is image analysis. So widely it is being used here. So widely image analysis has been used. So you take if agricultural, if you take agricultural, so any important meetings are doing by irrigation department. So you want to take any river flow, so how can you know that the river is flowing from this state to that state, or is the length how much? Everyone will not be calculated, so it is very difficulty. So they will take the picture and they analyze it in simply, or any in agricultural department only. Other example is crop. So if the andhra people will crop per year 2 to 3 in some areas. So if any flood comes, how the damage will be analysis very fastly, very quickly, because with the help of only image analysis. Okay, next in engineering also, in railways it is using, in traffic survey it is using, in airport transport also it has been using. In airport it will be night times, it will be very very useful. So you see at the runways there will be sensors are there, night time it will help of the sensors, it will be working. You take another example, forestry departments. So forestry departments also is having wide use of the image analysis. If any fire accident has been taken in forest, so any forest departments will fire, if any fire accidents takes place, so forest department will rescue with the help of only image analysis. Geographical conditions, geology conditions, soil conditions. So for example, red soils are there, aluminum soils are there. So in picture there will be clarity have been given. So with different of the soils. So soil report has been given with the help of the image analysis only. So wide range has been used here and there. So natural resources management also using this one. Mining department is using. Next to soil science we can study, urban and regional planning development also. So if you see any smart cities, so you take the picture of the smart cities. So top view you take one picture with the help of the aerial survey. So normal cities will be there. So you see the pictures clarity here. So smart cities will have the proper building and a proper layout, whereas normal building will not have in particular shape. So this can be understand easily by the image analysis only. So next, regional planning. So any planning development cities are there, or any development countries are there, so they are using image analysis to study with the clarity. So another one is military intelligence. So military intelligence will be used here remote sense only, with the help of the communication department, or with the help of the any, all departments will include in the remote sensing subject. Not only civil, but overall EC department or CSE department, electrical department are also involved in the remote sensing subject. So for us to main to study and educate the picture, to identify very quickly and give the data very fast analysis, our civil engineers are very important in the subject also, so that in military intelligence they will pass the pictures to us. So we will study where are the contours are there, where will be the natural resources are there, so what is going happening in the before or off the side, so what is the condition of the climatic conditions, everything will be studied by the civil engineer. So for that, here we are giving the subject image analysis only. So here we new topic is virtual image is interruption technique significant, maybe require the uh, executive training for the users. This has become more significant for creating the spectral data of geographical information system. So these virtual images will be given data with the help of this spectral data image. So in the last class we have discussed the parameters of the sensors. In parameters of the sensors, spectral data has been there. So it will be taken the picture, and it will be analyzed each and every point in the site, what is happening, what is going on. So in this information system, some includes are there. So detection of objects. So first of all, you must detect the object. What you must take detection on the object. Next one, recognized object. So first you have detected one object. So object you have been detected. So it's a region of the object. So what is the conditions of it? So identification of it, classification of object, declaration of objects. So these five are very important in virtual interaction. So next one, what were the elements we have to be considered in the virtual interaction? Tone, shape, size, pattern, texture, shadow, association. So these are the key points. It will be helps in the study of the image analysis very quickly. So for example, tone. Tone is a fundamental element which refers the relative brightness or color of the object in a satellite image. This helps in the identification of the target features involved in image. So it is a fundamental element. So you have any object, so relative of the brightness or color of the object with the help of the satellite. So if you see, nighttime pictures will come uh, black, blackery, gray. So you will see the picture has been taken in the night time. So otherwise, if you on the flash and you take the picture, so when you take like this, the tone will be shaded. You take that picture in the early morning also, so it will be given some brightness feature. So that is the tone here, very very important. Next one is the shape. Generally shape refers in the form of the structures, outline of the each of the object indicates their shapes. So it is very very important shape. You take the, if you take any picture, so it will be saying that regular shapes or irregular, mainly it will be fine in the urban and non urban and rural areas. So if you take irregular shapes, urban or agricultural will be example. Straight edge shapes, you may take example as a forest. In shape also you may take a best example, smart cities are the best example for shape. So you will be take one aerial photograph of smart city, so every building will be in the same height, roads are be planned, drainage system will be gone underground. So that is the example of the shapes. If you take the non exam, if you want to irregular shapes, you better to have an agricultural field. So if agricultural field will be irregular shape, L shape or U shape, it will be discontinued shapes. Okay. Next one is size. Size refers to a function scale it helps. So it will be, for example, if you take any agricultural irregular area, so if the size of the area, we cannot say what is the condition bounded here. So what was the landmarks we can give. So if the shape was irregular, so you can give the size of the pictures also, very resolution. So to evaluate the size of a target in an image, to assess the absolute size interaction. So here we will be given the absolute of the size interaction. And next one is the pattern. So pattern is defined as the spectral arrangement of the virtual description of the objects. A descriptive or recognized pattern produced will be unique repetition of these textures. So texture also will be explained here. Texture. So texture, the arrangement of the texture, totally variation specific areas. Satellite image is referred as texture, rough texture, smooth texture. So here we have only two in textures. One is rough, other one is smooth. So for example, rough texture you may can take a forest canvas. In smooth you may take a grasslands. So here texture means if the forest area you have been seen here. So forest area will not have here large trees. Here will be a small trees, or again it will be land buried. So again any river flows are there. If you take grassland, so if you take grassland, over area has be smooth or flat, there is no issues here. So next one is shadows. Shadows are the elements which are used to interrupted for the profiles and the target heights. The target heights under the shadows can be easily identified compared to the surrounding objects. So for example, you guys will work at intelligence departments. If you take any pictures, so in that pictures you will find any shadows. So if the large building is there, so it said the small building will not be considered because of this shadow. So you cannot guess. So if opposite direction you take the picture, if the shadow will be coming on this large building will falls on it, so shadow will not fall here the land. So you can have an intelligent departments, these shadow pictures will be very useful here. So next one is association. The reachable objects or features be associated with a approximate target of the interest. So association is also one important. So in this topic we are discussed here only image analysis. So with the help of the image analysis, every department is using to study what is going on here. So in that detection of objects, recognition of objects, identification of objects, classification of objects, declaration of objects. So before you will consider, you have to know some important points, that is tone, shape, size, pattern, texture, shadow, association. So we will be discussed, it's a small introduction to you, image analysis. So in the next video also I will be explained very clarity for you. So thank you.